Today we're talking about your pharmacy's obligation to you. Under South Carolina law, pharmacists are required to make sure that patients are getting the correct drug in the correct amount. The pharmacist's duties to a patient are separate from the doctor's duties to a patient. A pharmacist may be responsible for a patient's injuries for doing any of the following. Number 1, giving the wrong drug to a patient. Number 2, giving the patient a drug in a dosage amount that is different from what the doctor prescribed. Number 3, filling a prescription for a drug which interacts with another drug the patient is taking. Number 4, filling a prescription for a drug which a patient should not take because of a pre-existing medical condition or disease. And number 5, failing to recognize that the doctor prescribed an incorrect dosage and not taking the steps to correct it. Let's take Bill, who had kidney disease and was on dialysis. His doctor gave him a new prescription for an illness unrelated to his kidneys, which his local pharmacist then filled. Unfortunately, the new drug interacted with Bill's dialysis medications and killed him. Helen, on the other hand, had diabetes when her doctor prescribed a new medication. The drug caused her sugar to spike, and unfortunately, Helen also died. In both cases, the deadly drug should never have been prescribed or filled. Systems should have been in place to protect both Bill and Helen. The doctor and the pharmacist should be held liable for these very preventable deaths. I'm Attorney David Hood.